Hey y'all, it's your girl Nikki Boo. Today is vlog day. I'm going on the road to pick up some Amazon packaging. So I'll be doing Amazon unboxing today. So stay tuned for that. Hey, it's a good thing they make. I think I feel like I made they make it special for you see me. Cause yo, up on the road I ain't want home the year. Just draw on your wig. This is my wig. You see it right now. Oh my god. Long day, long day. You know, long me no walk down here, so I gotta feel like tourist. Well, yeah, guys. So I'm gonna pick up my Amazon package. Yeah. Alright, guys, I'm here. I'm so tired. Down the road. Yes. Oh my god, guys. I'm gonna manage a box here, please. I'm going to the supermarket. Whee! Stay tuned. When I go home, I will do the unboxing so you guys can see my purchase. Alright, guys, I'm back home. So I will be doing Amazon unboxing. Yes. So let's get into it. So it's two packages. Let's start with the small one first. Another. Yay! I know what it is. It is a makeup palette that I want to use for, you know, me I go do a makeup vlog, so finally see one palette for me like, so I'm just get it. Now this way, right? So yeah, take it up after the one. Wow, me think say when the package come, me think say a palette I go all over the place in terms of nasty up, like, you know, all them can do things, you know, but everything in place. This is amazing. Color fusion, beauty glaze. So I will be leaving, if you want to get this to buy on Amazon, you know me love shop on Amazon at my place. Yeah, so me can leave the link to this in the description down below. Okay, yes, very affordable, guys. You know me like nice, clean, good looking stuff. So now I have a nice palette. Why? So you will be seeing me working with this in my makeup vlog. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Okay, yes. So now time for the bigger one. Although in my last vlog me I make you know say yo, no fi bear with me, cause you know good video quality kinda not up in terms of the lighting, so you don't know why another box here. Let me tell you why next. Alright, a box with another box. Drop that on ground. Open this. This is a ring light, guys. We just see it and like it and say, may I go get that one here. Yeah, it costs in pocket a little thing, but you don't know. Ooh. What much excitement. A remote job feed. That's what I like about it. When I see it and everything, I know good it. Yes. So the link for this one I will be put it in the description. Goody tongue tie up in. See, this is the remote for it. And you know, say it's setting up thing. I set it up like a G. Don't. No need nobody else. Don't. You know, Nikki can help herself in everything. So you know, say this side tripod will come with it. Because I never just want to get one ring light we can pin on my phone. I actually need the good stand. So you know, like how Nikki love do her photo shoot. Hey! And now I go see picture. Or I go mad no. Because I don't know say. Me love take picture. And you see this? Look how nice and clean. You see that one here? You know, so you go so. Hold on. You go so. Extend. You go so box again. Extend. What you say? You extend as much as you want. And you go so again. I think you're so supposed to put on. Oh, this are the part. For one extend. So that's it. Yeah. So you know me I go set up this. Yeah, me I set up this right way, you know? Yeah man, and test it out. Okay guys, that's it for my Amazon unboxing. So you know me open out everything me I own together. So you can see the thing. And if anybody interested and always want a ring light, me I go just set up this and something and turn on a bag of things, and then if you like it, Lord Jesus, I'll make it blows that expose me God. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Jesus God. Okay, so see it here. Me I tell you me like about the tripod something here. You can see right this is one initial. One end that you know. Don't know Mickey. Yes, by the right one. Alright, so you go screw there. And you do so. You tighten it in though, you don't want nothing loose around here, not true? You want to tighten it. So you know say put alright, so watch out now. You go from the ground. So the right here so now, and you go put on the ring light. Now what I do, I'm just doing this for the first time. Ah, Jesus, the card I wrap up. What make me pull out the card, man? Okay, so that is it. Just put him on tripod now, so. And then this is a USB plug-in thing. You know you have this here, so where you know power button to turn up the light, depends on how bright. No, if you turn down the light, like you dim it, or you know, if you turn it up, you know you press the plus button, and then you have the what you call this again? The remote thing where you have on or off. You don't know me, I use whatever, so I can't put in. But let me get a iPhone case and show you how you da put in it. And I just hold on. So this is or you would set your phone, or you can set it the other way. So you see this can rotate, so if you want to go this so this so, or just come down so, straight down, and you have it like this. Yeah, so it's up to you how you want to set your thing. Oh, that's for the, so this little thing right here, let's see if you can see, that have to control the bar of the ring up here. So if you want it, thing that I want to steer you tightly. So that part here is another extension going all the way up. Like this, so going all the way up this. And then we just bring it back down like this. So it's like 3 extendable parts you have, bunny guys. So watch me now, I'm gonna drop it lower. You see it? And then you can bring it all the way sharp down like this. So let's take another down into it. See there? So you have the 3 fingers. So you make it as sharp as this. I like it. I like it. Nothing I like. Yeah, I like it. Go on with yourself. But if you turn your hand and stuff, you don't discover that part of it. But we set it up and keep it up. And off you function the tripod. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah. Not bad at all. You have to tighten this if you don't want to move away. My head right, you know. Why God? So you know, if there's a person like me will like take certain kind of photos, or you have your vlogs to do and then you put in there, or you know your makeup tutorial, anything about YouTube or you know your personal use, yeah man, a tripod and a ring light is the way to go. You don't know? Yeah. For this part, is that you want to carry back so, you want to take it back through, you want sliding, yeah man, flexible. You can do it any way you want. Very flexible. Yes. So I guess if me plug in this, it will come on, but which part me there right here so never plug in. Hold on there. Alright, so we run go for extension. And me go try. It in. I put it in and a blue light coming. Right? So you know this, you have to turn on your Bluetooth on your phone, on your device, and then you will get the part here active. So if you're also, you can just have a remote and go so boy, and you put it in. So power on. Lord Jesus. People. Lord Jesus. Lord Jesus. Watch lighting. Don't you ask me better now? I tell us I did I go start out myself, man. Sure. Watch turn down. You see that? Watch turn up. Let's do it. Oh Jesus God. Ring light. I love you. Boy, you can change up the lighting, guys, so that are the, you know what we say, you know, this are the, we'll call this the more selfie mode. Watch there. Watch there. See, one time I do my makeup and so, you can see everything. But I love that one here. I love it. I love it. Yes, I am pleased with my purchase. I don't know, send me finish my vlog. Go right into this. Lord God, me I go on with myself, you know. Me I go on with myself. So if you like it, yeah, if you like it, or yourself, me I leave a link to this down in the description so you can check it out and you can roll up on Amazon same time and buy a thing if you want a ring light. This extendable, like 3 of them depend on it, like I love it, I like it. Me like it. Watch me turn down this. You see that? Right down. Watch. I love it, guys. You know, me can't go on with myself, and you know, I love it. So, Lord Jesus, when you see me go so, hold on. Oh, this has to protect them. When you see me go so, I can't see all of my palette. Stay tuned for my makeup video, and of course, all the rest of videos. I have a whole heap of things to come out. Just stay tuned, stay tuned. Oh my God. So you know you get your little, you call this again, your little manual, how to set up a thing, how to work it, you know, how to adjust and everything. So you always can go through your guide, your installation guide, manual thing, yeah, you go through that and you set up a thing the right way and something. But you see through when you come onto them thing, you know, me easy to learn or something. You know, me done this done for me, you know, just to put in my phone and connect this to my phone, and then now me can test it out and why this probably was there and test it out and something. So thank you guys for watching with me. See you in the next vlog. I'm out.